Just going to do a quick video overview of the Mosko Moto Alpine 30 panniers with my other luggage that rounds out the adventure kit. So this is just an initial packing and testing, but these panniers do seem to be really solid. They attach with this hitch style, and then you have a way to tighten. And these straps connect, so you're tightening the bag as one when you pull those tight. Each side is 30 liters, pretty self-explanatory, your traditional roll top style. And then this big buckle goes around your rack and holds you up. A little bit wider than the handlebars, but these are the slimmest, lightest panniers I could find that are, you know, an actual size, like 30 liters. To round it out, I have a Nelson Rig Hurricane tank bag. I think that's 8 liters. Not entirely sure. And then on each side here, this is a 10-liter Seal Line dry bag, just with ski straps. That holds my big tool kit. And then this holds the 4mm super thick spare tube. In these, I've got 3 liters of water, 1 liter oil, everything to camp, and stove and pair of shoes, things like that to be comfortable. And then on the back, I just got the bear mace, since you want to keep that separate. Quick look at the cockpit. There you go. All right, if you're thinking about these panniers, I haven't put them through the ringer yet, but just based on initial testing, they do seem to be of high quality and have a solid fit and finish. It's nothing but one single bag, so I'm not going to open them up and show you. You can imagine it's a 30-liter bag right there. Well, there you go. A 640 adventure with the Mosko Moto Alpine 30s on a rack.